guys, Abner Miranda here. Welcome out to the range. I wanted to show you guys something today that's pretty slick. It's something I've been working on. And I've got a longer video on this, but basically I had actually worked up a sling specifically for the Recover Tactical 2020 because, as painful as this is to say, is some of you didn't like the bungee sling that I came up with. That's a sling that I invented, and Recover Tactical ended up adopting it, which, by the way, guys, it works perfectly for this application. But there are some of you who are running these in a different application. You're actually treating it like a dedicated PDW. I'm with you 100%. Trust me, I'm with you 100% on that. And that is why I had originally worked up a specific sling for this setup. What I found was the webbing, of course, with my setup ended up right here, and it ended up chafing the shooting hand really bad. What I found with this setup is the paracord stays out of the way, doesn't really tear your hand up like all this junk making contact with you would. And this is actually an existing sling called the Tier 1 Citizen Single Point Parasling. It's available at tier1citizen.com. Scroll down, click on slings, and you'll find the sling. Well, you'll find the sling in the single point slings. Anyway, so the cool thing about this is it actually works in conjunction with your long gun setup, because when you're using the Recover Tactical 2020, when you're done using it, you have all the mobility to come around, holster up, and then long gun swings around and you're ready to use it. And actually, in this instance, you could always transition back to the RTT if you had to. That's the beauty of this setup. Both slings stay out of each other's way, and you still have complete mobility of both weapons. And see, everything stays out of everybody else's way. So if you guys have any questions, check it out at tier1citizen.com. Leave comments, questions below, and I will do my best to answer them. As always, I thank you guys for watching. God bless you all. Get those guns out in practice. Have a good one. All right, let's redeem that long shot, because that was kind of embarrassing. Oh, come on now. There we go. Have a good one, guys.